Hello again, or hello for the first time. We are in the neighborhood of Tipperary Hill in Syracuse, New York. Today is the official Syracuse start to St. Patrick's Day. It's Green Beer Sunday. And we're gonna go see the parade. Probably the greatest parade. Do you think this is not the greatest parade?
I think it's the most, I think that the participants are the most enthusiastic, that's for sure.
And it's really the best because it ends with beer. So let's go.
Tinted green even.
Yeah, so there are so many cars parked on the roads. We parked pretty far away because it's just like cars everywhere. Everyone's having a party. Coleman's opened at 11, I think. I think that was their schedule. They open at 11 and they're closing at 2 a.m. Sunday. What's today's date?
26th.
26th of February. And that is when this happens. It's so exciting. Everyone's always in a good mood. And here's our famous corner in Syracuse. Notice that stoplight. This is the 60th year that they've done Green Beer Sunday. 60 years ago they started this. It's amazing. What a tradition. There's a car coming. So this road's not closed yet. You see a leprechaun down there. Coleman's gets their green beer delivery for St. Patrick's Day today. The big truck pulls up and Coleman's is down there, and you can see this line on the other block, on the other side of this block. This is how many people are waiting to get in this Irish pub today.
60th annual, can you believe it? 60 years. I just got word they have officially begun. So I want everybody to get ready to welcome our Grand Marshals, Mary Kay and Mike Ryan, who just got married here in October. At the ripe old age of 60, they got married for the first time, and yeah, 60 for 60. Mike's parents were Grand Marshals back in 2006. Our special guest, Miss Green Beer Day this year, Margaret Passion. So we got to make her feel very welcome when she comes down. Plus all our usual participants. So thanks for coming out. And let's have a great day. Okay?
So we came down here to get a better view of the crowd in front of Coleman's. And yeah, quite a few people here. This is where that line ends. We're going in right there in the entrance. I have this plastic hat, like suction cup to my head because it keeps flying off because my head's too big. It's squeezing my brain, I think.
You look very festive though.
Thanks. I really think if you live on this street, you better like St. Patrick's Day and Coleman's, because yeah, I can tell a lot of people do. Nice. Is everyone set up over there? What a crowd. Last time we came out here, it was what? Pandemic type thing, right?
Did you come last year?
No, we didn't.
What's wrong with us?
Yeah, 2021 we came out.
Was it really cold last year?
I think so. That must have been it. Like it had just snowed.
Yeah.
But they, yeah, but then before that was 2019, I think.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Or 2020, yeah.
Because we did the drive-thru.
Oh, you know what? It's 2020 because they had just announced, you know, hey, don't go outside right after we were down here.
Mike and Mary Kay Ryan representing. Welcome. Let's give a shout out for Dennis. His traditional tracksuit, looking good. Mike and Mary Kay with a great contingency of friends and family, looking wonderful. Oh, everybody came out. Look at them. What a great representation. Welcome. Pat Driscoll's in the crowd. All right, Patrick. committee, everybody. Thank you so much. That's next week, right? Next week, let's be a part of it. Let's give a shout out to our friends from Minty's. Our new, congratulations to JP and his wife. Meredith and Catherine, glad to have you. All right, here come our friends from Johnston School of Irish Dance, everybody. Looking good, Johnstons. All you dance moms, God bless you. Green Cider. Also did a little collab on the Loaded Leprechaun, which you must try today. It's their vodka, burnberry mint milk. Sounds like it could be problematic later, but it's probably real good going down. All right, 1911. Let's hear it for 1911. Thank you. All right, guys, here she is. This year's Miss Green Beer Sunday, Margaret Cascione. Let's give her a big shout out. Lifelong dream of Margaret's to have this position. You made it, Margaret. Congrats. She treats every day like St. Patrick's Day, I've been told. And she's here to honor her grandma Barrett, who taught her to always keep Ireland in her heart. All right, Margaret, thank you. All right, our pipers, Jack Hines. And here it is, your delivery, 60th annual shipment of green beer, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome it in with a big cheer. Syracuse Police, everybody. Thank you so much for helping us make this happen today. We're back. Okay, it's in position. Get ready for the chopper. From Onondaga Beverage, thank you. Official green beer from Onondaga through Ireland.
So the truck is emptied and everyone has to go inside or basically wait in this line. Which still goes down there. Oh my gosh, it's all the way. I gave up on my hat. We were thinking about going back home for a minute and swinging back around. Try and get some green beer for later, but if we don't make it, we'll give you an update and we'll try to do something. So I just checked maps and this line is 2/10 of a mile from Coleman's. That's how long the line is. So yeah, we're gonna think this through and come back or do something. And if we can't make it today, we will be back with another vlog with some green beer, because Coleman's does in fact have green beer the whole season.
That's true.
So here's Stone Throwers Monument. We were here before in a different vlog. I'll link that in the description box down below. But essentially, people are responsible for an upside down traffic light, which is the only one in the world.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we're back like 2 hours later, a little bit more. There's no line anymore, but there's a line. Can you guess where the line was? And it's a bit rowdy. I think we're just gonna head home, honestly. But got a band playing right now. I feel like on the scene coverage.
Yeah, too old for that.
yeah, we've exceeded the.
I do like that drunken snowman that is horrible.
Yeah, so there's the line still. It's just moved. Yes, arses to elbows in there, isn't it? Yeah. Pretty cool. All right. I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna go home.
We saw it. We saw it from a distance. We'll come back on a later date.
Yep.
Where it's less busy.
All right. So if you want to come down here for this, this is what to expect, kind of.
This is busier than it has been, I think.
Yeah, this is a party time. And a lot of these people will be here till 2 a.m. in the morning.
Cheers.
Oh well, yeah, it's unfortunate we had to make our own.
We did.
Yeah, how did you do this?
1 drop of blue food coloring per can of beer. Mine's got a little bit of blue in the bottom still, but they're pretty green. And bonus, we don't have to stand in that horrific line.
That was a massive line. I can't believe earlier it was 2/10 of a mile.
I just can't. I can't justify it. I'm too old. It brings me so much closer to death. I can't do it.
That's not grim at all.
Ordinarily, though, we would, and we will go back to Coleman's.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get back there. And if you're not subscribed already to the channel, hit subscribe and you'll be able to see that video when it comes up. But yeah, thanks for coming along with us. Cheers to St. Patrick's Day season in Syracuse.
I am glad we got to see the parade, because
Yeah.
that was pretty great. I don't know, who did they have announcing it? She was wonderful.
She must have been part of the family. I don't know.
Fantastic. She was like everyone's fun drunk aunt. I liked it a lot.
Yeah, if anyone likes Green Beer Sunday or knows who that was or anything, leave comments down below. Cheers to you. Cheers. We'll see you in the next road trip. Bye.